Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is E for Eva TV, and today we are at Woburn Safari Park in Bedfordshire. As you can see, we're going to check out the monkey drive-through. We're going to check out the tigers. We're also going to see the rhinos. We're going to nip inside to see the Sealions show, and we're also going to check out the indoor and outdoor play areas. So, without further ado, let's get straight into the video.
Won't let him bring in our car.
What? Charge the car?
Yeah.
What do we reckon of that Rhino, Eva?
Good.
Do we? Who have we got in the car at the moment? We've got Grandad, got Nan.
He's coming to our car.
Is he?
Oh
Yeah.
my God, he's really close.
Drive.
Drive away, quick. He's going to get us.
Push in.
Wow. They didn't let kids take the seatbelts off to see.
Yeah.
Dangerous.
That's because they're just going round slowly up here.
Danger, danger.
I just can't see a tiger.
It says connected about
We'll let him out with the bears, would they?
connect. It has connected.
Well, I've counted 7 bears so far. I think there might be 8.
Yeah, I can see him. See,
There's nothing over
he's looking on the tree now.
Look at him looking up the tree.
I know, I just said
Look at
that.
them little tiny birds up there. You see them, John? See that little bird up there? Can you see it? How tiny is that?
He's on that car. Can't drive. They haven't got a single
They
one on us.
do look like you could just grab hold of them and cuddle them,
No,
all,
no,
don't they?
no.
They're in a scratch.
Do you think you could go around with him?
Ain't silly, is he? He's sitting on the wing mirror. Woo! He's catching a ride. Him. Lovely condition, isn't it?
Hello. What is he doing? Oh, oh.
He's off.
Don't run him over.
Gone.
Man, your birthday's tonight for Faith. Man, look, I've done this.
They're lucky.
No.
Oh, man, I know what colour
Of course, can't park him.
It was packed this morning,
It was.
wasn't it?
He's coming out on the side. Go around here, yeah? There you go, baby.
Now they're an opportunistic predator, meaning not only do they hunt for their food, they will grab whatever is available, jellyfish, squid, crustaceans, and I'm afraid to say that penguins have been on the menu to a sea lion out in the wild. Now these guys aren't the biggest predator out there in the ocean, they do have to keep their wits about them and stay safe. So what they can do, Leonie. Right, we'll give her a moment. She's clearly had a busy day today. So she wants to come back. Right, 30. Ready? Showing me up today. Right, this is positive reinforcement training in action. Like I said, I'll see what I'm in charge. I can't tell them what to do and what not to do. But if they're out in their waters, they need to make sure it's safe, so they will check the water. Leonie, that was our finish. You've already got done it. Right. They will check the water, make sure it's nice and safe, so they don't want to see any predators, do you? No, you don't. Now, if it's nice and safe, they can go for a swim out there in the waters. But sometimes, they'll throw their fish around the pool as well. But sometimes their predators are already in the water, they do need another way of escaping. Now, there is a safety in numbers when it comes to sea lions. They will be in groups of about 30 to 50. Now, Leonie here does a very good impression of her predators. Are we ready? Look at that. These guys have to watch out for the likes of the great white shark, the tiger shark, and the killer whale. But they have another trick up their sleeve, and that is a behaviour known as porpoises. So if they're in the water, they need to escape, and they can do this behaviour where they throw themselves in and out of the water, and this helps to disguise their body shape. It breaks it up, it makes the water very choppy. Think about 30 to 50 sea lions doing this all at once. You would have a really hard time trying to hunt them. Now then our sea lion can find the nearest bit of land, the docks, the oil rig, the harbour, even a passing by boat, and they can hop on out. Knowing that that shark or that orca can't follow them out onto land. Now a lot of you have seen our sea lions today, and I'm afraid to say some of you can call them a seal by accident. Now there are a few ways to tell the different countdown this time. Ready? We're going to give a countdown of 3, 2, 1. Sea lions. Leonie here is going to give you a wonderful round of applause for being a great audience today. Now do stick around after I sing. There is a movie all about our oceans and how to protect them. But for myself and Leonie, we thank you for joining us and enjoy the rest of your day here at Woburn.
live down there.